Cheese often tastes better when it's melted due to several factors that come into play during the melting process. Here are a few reasons why melted cheese can be more enjoyable. Enhanced flavor. Melting cheese causes its flavors to become more pronounced and aromatic. The heat breaks down the proteins and fats in the cheese, releasing volatile compounds that contribute to its taste and aroma. This amplification of flavors can make melted cheese more savory and appealing to the palate. Texture transformation. The texture of cheese changes when it melts. As it heats up, the proteins in the cheese break down, and the cheese becomes softer and more gooey. This change in texture can make the cheese feel more luxurious and enjoyable to eat, especially when it becomes stringy and stretchy. Increased creaminess. Melted cheese often becomes creamier and smoother in texture. This creaminess can be perceived as more indulgent and comforting, making melted cheese particularly satisfying to consume. The richness of melted cheese adds another layer of enjoyment to various dishes. Improved binding and coating. When melted, cheese has a natural ability to bind and coat other ingredients. This property makes it a popular ingredient in dishes like macaroni and cheese, pizza, and grilled cheese sandwiches. The melted cheese acts as a cohesive element, bringing different flavors together and creating a harmonious taste experience. Maillard reaction. The Maillard reaction is a chemical reaction that occurs between amino acids and reducing sugars when exposed to heat. It leads to the browning and caramelization of food, resulting in complex flavors and aromas. When cheese is melted, the Maillard reaction can take place, adding depth and richness to its taste. It's important to note that taste preferences can vary among individuals, and while many people enjoy the taste of melted cheese, there may be some who prefer it in its natural, solid form. Ultimately, whether you prefer melted cheese or not is a matter of personal preference.